Alone. Oh, just got one.
Healing up. Got quite the trip to the ring. Let's move.
Be my shield, skinbag. I'm healing.
Taking fire. A second squad is firing at us. I am incapacitated.
Using a med kit.
Need help?
Recharging shields.
Shields are recharging.
Need some healing.
Healing.
Healing up.
Gas. Put some gas. Yeah, man.
Last one's finished. They're all dead now.
Let's loot and move.
Closing ring.
Administering medical.
They're reviving people over there.
Be my shield, skinbag. I'm healing.
Need to protect me.
45 seconds, and the ring's not close.
Let's move. There they come. There they come.
Check this.
Firing. Getting shot. Someone's got a death wish.
Administering medical aid.
There's a new kill leader, and it isn't me. Recharging
Let's charge that way.
We are all outside of the ring.
Let's go.
We should scout this area.
You might be of use to me yet.
Attention, delivering care package.
Let's march towards this spot. We got a care package on the way. Let's camp out over here.
Round 3, beginning ring countdown.
Using a med kit.
Firing on subjects.
Taking fire.
Taking fire.
Down one.
Rescue lead delivered.
Recharging shields.
There's a replicator coming in. Recharging shields.
Let's move. There's our team ahead.
Spotted one. Getting shot at. Leaving a gas trap.
That was the last buster in that squad.
Taking fire. I'm down.
30 seconds until the ring charges at us. But we're
Move.
close. Shoot our comrade's banner.
Yo, full squad there, man. Move.
Taking fire. Introducing a new variable. I'm down.
Enemy shield busted. Firing. Reloading. Let you down. The ring has started moving and we're not in it.
Move.
We got a care package
Move.
on the way.
Move, man. People over there.
Focus up. Buster there.
Yeah, there's more.
Being targeted. Protectors clocking in.
They downed me.
Reinforcing with the Phoenix kit. Swing squad, and I'm heading home.
Appointed.
Got some extra supplies for us. Getting our teammate back. Man, I tell you, I miss him. Ring closing in 1 minute. But I'm close. Good. Looks like the ring's closing in 45 seconds, and I'm next to it. Love that. Ring closing in 30 seconds, and it's just a short trek.
Why can't I just die already? Thanks. It truly is a wonder to be alive.
Warning. Closing.
We're all outside the ring. Can't kill if you're
You
all
can craft it, man, but there's no replicators. Oh, they got on high, I'm sure. Somewhere on high. It's a crypto, so we can know where we are. They're in the house. They're in the building. We let them fight first. They're fighting. Okay, one over there.
Look at the buster over here.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
recharging shields.
Make way.
Shields are low. Recharging them.
He went behind us. No gun?
Open supply bin over here.
May my shields get back. I'm healing.
Someone close.
Shot. Someone's got a death wish. Someone's gonna pay for that.
shit.
Nothing when you miss all the time.
Yeah. Fuck you. GG, man.
Better make a Neo shield.
GG.